Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to block an application, program, or game from accessing the internet in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for wf.msc. Again, type for wf.msc and wait for a best match should appear. And once it's here, click on Open to continue. The moment you have the click on it, a new window which would appear, which is a Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security would appear. Where here you need to proceed with Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security on local computer and select Outbound Rules. Once you have selected it, please proceed to the third row and go with New Rule. Click on it, and the moment you have the click on it here, you need to select a program. Okay, and once you have selected it, go with next. Okay, and in this program or path, you need to navigate to the location where that specific program or application or a game that you want to block from using internet here in your Windows with. Okay, so go here at your C drive, click on it, and here in this two folders, which are program files and program files x86, there you would be able to see your application or program or game that you want to block with. In my case, it is being placed here in my program files x86. So double tap to it, or you can tap it to continue. And here you need to select the file folder which contains the program or application or any game that you want to block with. So in my case, it is under SAM file folder. So let me just double tap, or in your case, you have to proceed on double tapping and you need to select the application and go with open to continue. Once you have set it here, you need to go with next. Okay, and you need to go and block the connection. Okay, block the connection. Once done, click on next again and make sure that these rules apply in all of these aspects, which is in domain, private, and public. Once done, go with next again and click on finished. Okay, so it asks you to specify the name. Let's just have to set the name of the application or game that we want to block with and click on finished. Once done, it will be pasted here. It will be added here. Okay, so simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.